Okay, quick video on how to set up the 6-pack hanger pouch. This one, when it comes, you'll pretty much find it like this coming out of the box. The first thing you'll want to do is peel this open and back, then come here, pull this, and this Velcro is going to come apart. Now, it is supposed to do that. The next part you're going to do is this flap is what you're going to insert between your plate carrier, whether you have your placard that goes on the front here, and then you have your plate carrier's Velcro that will match against here. That's what you're going to want to do with it to begin. The other option that you can run with this is essentially closing this off so that this becomes the softer side of the Velcro if you want to do patches or anything else. Inside here, there's going to be the strap where you can run this as more of a fanny pack setup. So the beauty of this system for the 6-pack is that it has more than one function. You can run it more than just a plate carrier if you want to use it as a fanny pack. Have a black one, have a different color. This will fit a smaller concealed carry. It won't carry any full size, as you may be able to tell by my hand size. It's not going to fit something like a full-size Glock comfortably, especially since you'll need to have something to hold it. Once you insert your holster, it's not a big deal. You can kind of get it to fit. I have managed to fit mine, a full-size Glock 19 in there. It gets a little weird, but it's not something that I would run. I would choose a smaller firearm if you're going to use this as your carry. The next part, with the way that this is set up, if you want to run a tourniquet in here or something else, whether that be a wallet, a flashlight, this is the elastic straps. You can put it in here, put it in there, another one in here for a Sharpie. One thing I always seem to have to supply to other people out of my kit is the Sharpies constantly. So I would absolutely run a Sharpie if I were you. Don't be one of the people I have to constantly donate Sharpies to. And there you go.